Two patients recently that I did with Burbank Dental Lab. One of them is my mother. We did both the upper and lower jaw in one surgery, and we took all the teeth out, placed 8 implants, we placed multi-unit abutments, we scanned it, and then within 24 hours, she had a full set of teeth that are aesthetic, they're looking great, look very white, and if I would do it in my mother, I'll do it in anybody. The second one is a young lady who gone through a lot of hardships over the last few years. To top it off, she went to the wrong place to have dental implants and ended up being crippled rather than being treated. So it was a revisional case that Burbank Dental Lab helped us out with more of a revisional case where we use zygomatic implants, pterygoid implants to replace missing teeth, and we use the same workflow, and she had a fantastic result.